What's up everyone, my Glamformation series is back and I can't wait to show you this look. Let's get started. First I am priming her face with the Embryolisse Moisturizer Primer. And then I'm going to go ahead and let that sink into her face and just fill in the brows using my BH Cosmetics Pro Brow Palette. Then I'm going to go ahead and start putting on her base. This is from Maybelline Fit Me Super Stay Foundation. This is in the color Golden. She has a bit of a tan, so this was the closest shade to her, and in the end result she looks so bronzy and beautiful. Next I'm going to highlight and conceal with the NYX Cosmetics HD Concealer in the shade Beige. Then I set everything with RCMA Loose Powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and bronze using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronze. It's gonna give her more a golden glowy look. And I'm putting this all on the perimeter of her face, the highest points, not the highest points, but kind of like her cheekbones, her just, you know, a little bit above the contour area. And then I'm also bronzing up her chin because that's where the sun would also hit your face. And then I'm chiseling out her cheeks using the Makeup Revolution Contour Palette and just kind of deepening pretty much where her contour is so that, you know, she looks a little bit more defined. And then I'm going to make sure that her contour is pretty prominent using the RCMA powder I have left on my palette so that I can bake under her contour. And I'm priming her eyelids using the NYX concealer in the shade Beige. And then for the eye look, I am using the Morphe 350 Warm palette. And I'm sorry I didn't get to show you what shades I'm using, but as you can see, I'm pretty much using like more of like the warm brown shades. And I use a orange for the transition, and I just deepen the crease. As you can tell, that's what I'm doing right now. But my favorite part of this eye look is going to be the smoked out version of the lash line and the lower lash line. That's where I want her eyes to look the most smoky. As you can see, I'm doing it right now, and I'm going to keep going back and forth to make sure that it gets as dark as I can possibly get it. Don't forget to do the same for the lower lash line. Use the same colors and then making it darker. I'm also going in with a pencil liner to try to get it as dark as possible, and then smoking it out with a dark brown shade. I added on the lashes, and then I'm putting on the lips. This is Poet by Maybelline Super Stay Ink Liquid Lipstick. For her glow, I'm using Max Oh Darling at the highest points of her cheeks to give her this golden glow. And then for blush, I'm using the Morphe palette, and I'm using the middle shade. And this is the final look. I hope you learned something new. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this Glamformation video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!